I'm gonna show you how I went from this mess to this. Now, I have seen this messy bun everywhere. I swear it is like the TikTok messy bun, and I've never tried it because I feel like I don't have enough hair for it. But we're going to attempt it today. So the bun we're going to do today is based off of this video right here. I have done a similar video. I'm gonna insert that short right here. Let me show you how to get this perfect summer bun. Start with your hair in a ponytail, split it into 2 sections, then scrunch those 2 sections together to form a bun. And then just grab a hair tie and put it over that bun. Now you just wanna generously stretch that bun, make it real big and juicy. Bring your ends to the bottom of the bun, twist them around your finger, crisscross them at the top, and then just bobby pin them. This gives it that boho look, pinch and pull for texture, and this is it. Let me know what you think. One of my all-time favorite buns. So first thing I'm gonna do is put my hair up in a bun. Now I am going around and just using this Diamond Sleek smoothing spray. My hair is really frizzy, so I'm hoping it works for this video. Now, some people wear this bun up high, some down low. I think we're gonna do it up high today, and maybe I'll show you down low too. Maybe we'll get crazy. Okay, up high we go. Now you're gonna want to get another hair tie. So from here, take your ponytail, split it into 2, and you're just gonna push those 2 sections together and it's gonna form a bun, like this. And we're just gonna pull our hair tie over it, okay? And you can kind of pinch it and pull it. This stage right here, it should not be a floppy, drippy bun. If you do find that it is flopping and drooping around, you can actually take your ends that are hanging out, pull them, and it's gonna bring it closer to your head. From here, what you're supposed to do is take small sections, open up your hair tie, and just kind of pull them through. So like this is a small section. Now I don't have a lot of hair hanging out, so we gotta be conservative. So I'm gonna take a section of hair, and what the TikTok girlies do is they just insert it right into the hair tie, and they pull it through. So we're just kind of looping it through, and then you'll see them pinch and pull it. And it's already looking cute, and I'm surprised it's working for me. I'm happy. So again, I'm hoping you guys can see this okay, but I am opening up my hair tie, and we are just flipping it, flipping our ends over the hair tie, under, through. Okay, does that make sense? I hope so. And again, pinch and pull it. So again, I'm gonna grab some hair. We're just gonna tuck it in. Pull it through. Grab some hair. We're gonna tuck it in, and we're gonna pull it through. Now the real question is this gonna be a disaster to take out? I don't know. I'll take it out for you at the end of this video, I don't care. And just make sure again, you're pinching and pulling everything. And you just keep going around the mountain. Our bun is the mountain. Wait, why am I actually liking this? It's actually turning out cute. I didn't think it would be cute on me, but I think I like it. And I think I'm ready to show you guys what this looks like. Eee! Okay, here it is from the front. Now let's see how hard this is to take out. So I imagine I have to go back around, right? Or actually, you know what? I'm just gonna take the top Wait, what ponytail is this? Okay, the second ponytail. Just gently pulling my hair out. Oh, it came right out. Okay, and you guys, there's no hair stuck to it. And we're back to my ponytail. So that was not bad at all. Let's do it down low and see what that looks like just out of curiosity. Okay, I'm gonna go through this quick because no one wants to see me do this for a second time. This is what it looks like as a low bun. If I had to pick one, I would probably say the higher up messy bun. I like that better than the low bun, but low bun is still pretty. So I would say overall, 10 being the best, I would give this an 8. I like it. So let me know if you like it better high or low. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.